Hello friends, now we see the next part of Unit 4 Sound Part 3, a parameter of sound, acoustic intensity level measurement, acoustic pressure and its measurement, limits of audibility and intensity level of different sounds. Acoustic pressure and its measurement. Intensity of sound is average amount of transfer of energy per unit area perpendicular to the direction of propagation. It is given by I equal to 2 pi rho n square a square c, where rho is the density of the medium, n is the frequency of the sound, a is the amplitude of sound wave, c is the velocity of sound. Velocity of sound is given by c equal to under root k by rho, where k is bulk modulus of the medium, k equal to minus p upon dv by v, change in excess pressure in the negative sign, where p is the excess pressure applied by sound waves on a medium and dv by v is the volume spread. Therefore, c equal to under root minus p upon p dv by v. P equal to minus dv by v into rho into c square. The displacement of the particle of the medium is y equal to a sine omega t minus kx. Dabba by x equal to minus, if we differentiate with this term, we get dabba y by dabba x equal to minus k a cos omega t minus kx. If the cross-sectional area of the medium is constant, then dabba y by dabba x equal to dv by v. Dabba by dabba x equal to dv by v equal to minus ka cos omega t minus kx. Therefore, minus p upon rho c square equal to minus ka cos omega t minus kx. Therefore, p equal to ka rho c square cos omega t minus kx. Therefore, p equal to p0 cos omega t minus kx, where p0 equal to ka rho c square is called the maximum pressure pressure amplitude. We have k equal to 2 pi upon lambda. P0 equal to 2 pi upon lambda a p rho c square. Therefore, p0 equal to 2 pi c upon lambda a rho c. C upon lambda, as already we have seen here, we say that it is n. Here it is the formula c equal to n lambda. Therefore, n equal to c upon lambda. Therefore, p0 equal to 2 pi a rho cn. Intensity from equation 1 we can write as I equal to 2 pi a rho cn upon 2 rho c. 2 is getting cancelled, rho cc is getting cancelled. Therefore, I equal to p0 square upon 2 rho c. This equation suggests that the intensity of sound is directly proportional to square of the excess maximum pressure. The average maximum pressure of the threshold audibility is P0 equal to 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4 dyne per centimeter square. The average energy density depends on the frequency and amplitude. So energy can be expressed in terms of pressure amplitude, displacement amplitude and velocity amplitude. Pressure amplitude is very small, 10 raised to the power minus 12 Weber per meter for audible sound and 10 raised to the power minus 2 Weber per meter for loud sound. The displacement amplitude can be directly measured by Coulomb's tube with a loud sound when displacement of smoke particles are visible with microscope and can be directly measured. There is a maximum frequency limit also beyond which the sound is not audible is called upper pitch limit audibility. Limits of audibility. Audibility of sound depends on intensity and frequency of sound. The minimum intensity required for sound to be audible is called threshold intensity of audibility. And the corresponding minimum frequency is called lower pitch limit of audibility. The maximum audibility intensity limit is called threshold intensity of the feeling. So this is the graph: threshold audibility, threshold feeling, curve A and curve B. These limits of audibility are better understood with the help of audiogram drawn using this figure. So this is the audiogram. The frequency is plotted along x-axis on logarithmic scale, and intensity pressure in newtons per meter square is also along the axis of logarithmic scale. Curve A represents the threshold of audibility and curve B represents threshold of feeling. The two curves enclose an area of audiogram. This enclosed area is called auditory sensation area. Means this area which we can easily heard. The figure shows auditory sensation area for normal human ear. If the pitch and intensity of any sound are beyond this area, the sound is not heard. Human ear is sensitive. Human ear is sensitive between the frequency range of 500 Hz to 7000 Hz, which is the range of ordinary speech. High sensitiveness ranges from 2000 Hz to 500 Hz. Beyond 7000 Hz, human ear is insensitive, means it is not heard by the human ear. The music frequency range used for 20 Hz to 400 Hz. The threshold intensity increases both at high and low frequency levels. The increase is more at low frequency level. Maximum painful sensation in ear is caused by the intensity at frequency at 800 Hz, at which the threshold of audibility is low. At frequency of 1 kHz, the ratio is 1014:1. The audibility range varies according to the age. Audiogram also varies accordingly. The following tables gives intensity level of different sounds. The human ear is comparatively more sensitive to sound of low intensity. These are the different intensity levels. And intensity level is given in decibel. This is dB is the unit. Threshold hearing is 0. Rustle of leaves 10 dB. Whisper 15 to 20 dB. Radio at home normal volume 40 dB. Normal conversation 60 to 65 dB. Heavy traffic 70 to 80 dB. Roaring of lion at a distance of 6 meter, it is 90 dB. Thunder is 100 to 110 dB. Threshold of feeling pain 120, and painful sound it is 130 and above. Okay, thank you.